Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how I made this creamy, cheesy, super delicious mac and cheese. So let's go ahead and get straight to the recipe. For the cheeses, I am using medium sharp cheddar cheese, fontina cheese, some cream cheese, pepper jack, and velveta. You may also use other cheeses if you like, and I'm also using Monterey jack cheese. Whatever cheese you like, honestly, go ahead and use. And this is the type of pasta that I'm using. I already cooked my pasta according to the box description. So on low heat, go ahead and melt about 4 tablespoons of butter. Low heat. Don't make the same mistake that I made. My heat's kind of high. I forgot to put it on low. That was my mistake. On low heat, so go ahead and melt your butter. Once you melt your butter, go ahead and add your heavy cream. We're using a heavy cream for this, okay? Not milk. Heavy cream is better. That makes it a lot creamier. Make sure your heat is low. So once you add your heavy cream, we're gonna go ahead and season it with some paprika, chicken bouillon, some garlic powder, some black pepper, and some onion powder. After you season it, give it a quick stir and then go ahead and start adding the cheeses. So go ahead and shred your cheeses. I just kind of got a little bit lazy, and the velveta melts really fast, and the fontina, that's why I didn't shred them, but feel free to shred them if you want to. So once your cheeses are melt, go ahead and add some salt. Make sure you taste it, and if you feel like you want more salt, I add the salt last because I wanted to taste it first because everything has salt. Taste it, and if you feel like you need salt, go ahead and add salt. I added half a teaspoon of salt. So go ahead and now add the pasta. So I had left some leftover cheese, the cheddar, and now I added the remaining of the cheese, and I'm gonna go ahead and mix that. Go ahead and just mix, and you guys, that's it. This is it. It's done. Like, that's it, literally. It only the secret to the best pasta is just make sure you use heavy cream and use the cheeses that you like. Not everybody likes velveta. I personally am not a big fan of velveta. My cousins loved it. One of my cousins is a very picky eater and he loved it, so I think I did a good job. And so if whatever cheeses you like, cheeses that go very good together, that are very great, or Gruyere and cheddar. So Gruyere and cheddar are perfect together. So these are two cheeses you can always pair together. So whatever cheese that you like, if you like cheddar, I love sharp, medium, I love extra sharp cheese. I love cheddar, I love Monterey, I love pepper jack. So to me, any cheese, Gruyere, Gouda, oh my god. Parmesan, not Parmesan, the real Italian stuff though. Look at this. And then heavy cream. Don't use milk, heavy cream. If you're gonna use milk, use evaporated milk. If you're gonna use milk, at least use evaporated milk. But heavy cream is the thing. You see that? It's so creamy. It's very cheesy. It's the best. And you pair this with some mac and cheese. Just make sure you spend 5 hours in the gym after, because God, that's a recipe for a heart attack. But hey, you only live once. So anyways, you guys, this is the recipe. It's very quick, and you know, if you have kids that loves mac and cheese, go ahead and try this recipe for them. I'm not a big fan of mac and cheese. I prefer baked mac and cheese. So yeah, if you like this recipe, give it a thumbs up, and as always, thank you for watching. I will see you soon in the next video. Thank you. Also hit the subscribe button